Hey, Professor Chafin here. We're headed out to one of my friend's wife's farm in Georgetown. So actually, this is another different farm than what you guys are used to seeing us on. We're going to be shooting the Mossberg 12 gauge and my Browning 10 gauge, just getting those sighted in for turkey season. And I made some homemade targets I put together, nothing special, just to kind of get the shotgun sighted in, and hopefully you guys enjoy the show. Appreciate it. I always like to go down I-75 rolling and practice my turkey calls. That's a pumped up turkey there. Made it to the farm. Big Dale's got to shut the gate behind us. Hey, this is nice. I've never been here before.
It's blinking.
Okay, guys, Professor Chafin here. We're going to be patterning our guns, our turkey guns. As you can see here, we got a couple different boxes we're going to be shooting. I shoot 10 gauge, 3.5-inch magnums. This is the first time that I've shot one that has this plastic wad in it. I don't know how it's going to fly, but I'm going to give it a test. Federal's always been a great turkey load for me. Now Dale just got Mossberg 12 gauge, and he's going to shoot the Remington 3-inch Magnum Nitros out of his Mossberg. And he's also going to try these 2 3/4 inch. These are the ultimate diamond shot. Now this is a 5-shot here, 5-shot, and then these turkey. This nitro is actually 6-shot. So we'll see the difference. If you guys don't know the difference, is 6-shot spreads out a little bit more, and then mine is actually, I think mine's 5. Yeah, on here you can see mine's actually 5-shot. So and it's always important to remember safety. Always keep your gun on once you load it. It needs to be on safety, and you don't really need to take the safety off until you have a clear line of view for your target. A lot of people out in the woods, when they get excited turkey hunting, they hear a turkey and they take the safety off immediately. I'm even guilty of that in the past. That's dangerous. Wait till you actually have the turkey in view, then take the safety off. So stay tuned, guys.
All right, it's recording.
Oh yeah. That I got him. Make it fraction high, so I need to keep it a little low. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. That's good. Looks like a lot of them went up here, so I gotta just aim a little low. That's what I'll aim on next one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's. I'll back up the camera and let you shoot yours. That's pretty cool. went a little high. You went a little high, but yeah, you shot, and I went a little high to the right. You went a little high to the left.
That's what I did the first time I shot.
With the nitro? With the nitro?
I went left.
But that's not the nitro, but that's not the nitro, is it? That's the other one.
Yeah, no, that's the other one. So,
Okay.
well,
Yeah. Let me try another one. I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna try low left. See, mine don't have. Daggone, man. I shot right. I put the bead right here.
oh, really?
Yeah, but I mean, it got him.
Kind of went, you know,
Still going up to the right, isn't it? Wow. They have to shoot even lower. But that has still got it. Look at that. That'd have got the turkey.
yeah.
That would have got it. So low left. I gotta remember low left. You gonna shoot another one with the other shot? Okay. All right, guys. You'd have got him. Yeah. Success! Success!
What I did, I like come down. You had two?
Yeah. You want to tell us about it, Dale?
That's my best shot.
That's your best. That's your best shot.
That right there, I'll be taking home turkey.
All right. Sounds good, guys. Be sure you all click like and subscribe on our channel, and thank you guys for watching.